Hello everyone, welcome back to Errands and Fins. I'm Kay, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this top. If you want an ad-free pattern for this specific design, you can get a copy from the link provided on the description box below. Tutorial for the ear warmer and cardigan can also be found from the description box. Make a slip knot and chain a chain that is long enough to wrap around your underbust, less 2 to 4 inch. After that, we will now work single crochet rows. To start our first single crochet, insert your hook on the second chain from hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all loops. Then repeat single crochet till last chain. We're done with our first row and working upward, chain 1, that will be our turning chain. And then work single crochet in each stitches till last stitch, and then repeat that for 12 more rows, a total of 14. You can add more rows if you want more coverage. Our 14 rows measures 7 cm from waist to underbust. After your 14 rows, we will now work for the bust coverage. Start with the chain 1, turn your work, and then work back loop half double crochet in each stitches. For my size, I made a total of 16 rows of half double crochet that measures 13 cm length. You can add more rows if you want more coverage. While working with half double crochets, make sure you are working same count of stitches every row. Once you're done, this is how it should look like. After that, working on the sides, chain 1 and then work single crochets in each row. After your last stitch on this corner, chain 1 and continue working single crochets in each stitches at the bottom of the piece to get to the other side. Once you get to the other side, chain 1 and continue working 1 single crochet in each rows. After that, the sides should look like this. And next, we will work with the strap hose. To begin, chain 3, turn your work and skip 1 stitch and then single crochet the next 3 stitch. Again, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, and then single crochet the next 3 stitch. Repeat that until your last stitch on this side. Make sure you end the side with a chain 3 and 1 single crochet on the very last stitch. Now to get to the other side of the piece, we will work single crochet in each stitches at the bottom. Once you're on the other side, use the same pattern for the strap holes. Again, make sure to end up with the chain 3 space. After that, chain 1 to secure and cut the yarn. For the strap, determine the center stitch and then work a 250 chain that is 120-inch long, and then using your darning needle, attach your strap. And for the back crisscross strap, work a 300 chain or longer if needed. That's all, and we are again done with our top. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the bell button to receive notifications for new uploads. Thank you for watching.